Hello friends, welcome back to another video of MiniatureDiecast. So today we have a older casting from Hot Wheels 2024 series, mainline series. So this one is the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, a classic muscle machine known for power and attitude. Amazing. So let's take a quick look at the card art. So the art card is bold and aggressive, just like the real car you can see over here. So this one is from Muscle Mania and number 2 out of 5. So this one is a older casting from Hot Wheels 2024 and I was having this for a long time, so thought let's make a quick unboxing video. Okay, so here it is. Time to crack it open. Always best moment for a collector to unbox a car. Amazing. So we have checked the card art, so let's keep it aside and check out the details. Wow, the exposed blower engine, the clean black strips and the chromed wheels, that side muscle badge. Amazing. Hot Wheels really nailed the attitude of original 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. And the stance is low, means ready for race and action. Okay, so let's start from the paint. So you can see very beautifully painted. So let's start from the front. Okay, so in front we can see chromed engine grille and headlights are there, which is not painted but embossed. And from the side profile you can see these black strips all the way to the end, clean and fantastic looking. So here you can see the racing badge, and here is a Hot Wheels logo over here. We can see door handlebars, and at the top we can see black strips from front to end, which is beautifully painted. And at the front we can see this massive engine brewers. I don't know about this one. If you know this one, you can put it in comment. Okay, let's look at the rear. Over here we can't see any tail light details. It should be painted, I hope. Why Hot Wheels don't provide headlight details in mainline? So here we can see tail light details, but it is embossed, not painted. Now let's check the interior. We can see chrome finish, left hand drive. So now let's check the chassis. So the entire body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic. So at the chassis we can see a lot of details over here. We can see the exhaust pipes are there and manufacturing details. So the fun fact about this car, the Chevy SS was one of the first true American muscle car. Simple look, dangerous power, dominating drag strips with roaring exhaust. This car were so powerful that drag racers nicknamed it the street rocket. So if you are a muscle car fan, this model is definitely worth adding to your collection. Okay, now let's check the wheels. We can see chrome wheels over here, and one important thing is the rear wheels are wider and the front wheels are shorter. So let's do a roll test. Amazing, smooth and fast, just like a real muscle car. So I hope so you like this video, and if you are a muscle car fan, go and try to find one of these. It will be worth to put it in your collection. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome unboxing reviews and diecast content like this. Thank you for watching. Happy collecting.